Hi everybody, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be showing you how I create this makeup look right here. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. I'm going to be using the Supreme Nudes palette from Couture. I'm going to start off by dipping into Transcend. I already did lay down a little bit of my liquid contour or bronzer kind of through the crease of my eye as well. This is just going to lay down really nicely on top of that. And I'm going to try to keep it pretty lifted because she has this gorgeous kind of cat eye effect. I did find out about this palette. They are going to do a limited restock on it. So if you guys are interested, I highly recommend that you go get your hands on it when they do restock. I'm going to take this e.l.f. blending brush. It's kind of a little bit tapered on the edges. And I'm going to dip into Aesthetic. What I'm going to do is kind of angle this up into the outer corner, almost kind of towards the tail of my brow to give us that nice lifted look. This is the e.l.f. Eyeshadow C brush, quotation mark. I don't really know what that means, but it's a little packing brush. I'm gonna dip into the lightest shade Exposed. I'm gonna pack this right onto my lid space that remains. My eyelids have been kind of dry lately. I really need to get some more eye cream. So again, I'm just packing it, like placing it down first. And then as I come into this little kind of space right here, I am almost making my eyes look a little bit more open by taking it kind of up into where it meets the crease. I do want to make sure I'm careful to blend it with the colors in the corner as well. Taking that same brush, go back into Transcend. I'm just gonna kind of lightly go under my lower lash line here. She has very light shadow underneath, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna take a little smudging brush. I'm dipping into Mink, the darkest color. It's gonna kind of smudge on the outer corner about halfway in. I actually decided I am gonna kind of take it towards the inner corner as well. I'm going to take a nude liner. This is Tarte Fake Awake liner and do my waterline. Now I'm taking my Bambi Eye Mascara. This is from L'Oreal. Lashes are on. These are actually originally Ardell Wispies, but then I customized them. This is a technique from Hrush herself. I will link those below for you guys. Taking some Elmer's Clear Washable Glue. Just gonna brush my brow hairs into place. I want to go in with some blush. This blush is from Milani. It is the powder blush in Coral Cove. Very bright corally color. And I'm just placing this kind of on the apples of my cheeks and working it back. I love how, like, with her look, it's very warm with the blush and the lipstick. I'm going to kind of drag some inwards towards my nose. For highlight, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier. This is the Translucent Glow Loose Setting Powder. So it doesn't look like much here, but it has this really pretty kind of gold sheen. It gives you kind of that glow from within type vibe. And I know when this came out, what was it? A year or two ago, it was like super popular. I feel like people kind of forgot about it, but I love it. I'm just gonna do my inner corners. It's just super subtle, which I think is perfect for this look. Under my brow bone, my nose. And then I'm just gonna do a little bit for my cheeks. Feeling kind of dry, so I'm gonna set my face twice actually. So I'm gonna do now. So for lips today, I am using MAC lip liner in Kiss Me Quick and Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in Kiss of Fire. Lots of kissing is happening. Alright guys, here is the final look. I actually really like how this came out. I feel like I need to do more just matte eye looks. All the products that I use will be listed in the description box below. Please be sure to support me as a creator by subscribing to my channel. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!